With so many concerns about viral infections flying around these days, it's crucial that we maintain a strong immune system. The immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defend the body against infection. It keeps a record of every germ, also called a microbe, it has ever defeated, so it can recognize and destroy the microbe quickly if it enters the body again. It's important to note that the best way to protect against a virus, like the coronavirus, which has no vaccine to prevent it as of this video publication, is to avoid it. But we can all agree that a strong immune system is the last line of defense against a viral infection. In this video, we will cover some surprising immune-boosting superfoods that you probably never heard of before. We're not talking about your classic go-to immune boosters like ginger, garlic, peppers, berries, or leafy greens. The truth is, you may have overlooked the foods in this video, or on the other hand, you may have been benefiting unknowingly from these power-packed portions. These are little-known superfoods that will boost your immune system. Whether orange or white, sweet potatoes contain phytonutrients that promote heart and eye health and boost immunity. They are rich in antioxidants that protect your body from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and trigger inflammation. Free radical damage has been linked to chronic illness like cancer, heart disease, and aging. Sweet potatoes are flush with beta-carotene to lower cancer risk, and vitamin A, which may reduce the effects of smoking. Beets are a good source of vitamin C, which contributes to immune strength. The folate inside guards against birth defects, colon cancer, and osteoporosis. The pigment beta-cyanine, which gives beets their distinctive hue, is one of the several disease-fighting phytonutrients found in this root vegetable. They are also high in fiber and beta-carotene. Spelt, also known as dinkel wheat or hulled wheat, it's an ancient whole grain grown in many parts of the world. Like whole wheat, ancient spelt is sweeter, nuttier, and higher in protein than its processed relatives. Both are good sources of manganese, zinc, iron, and copper. Almonds. When it comes to preventing and fighting off colds, vitamin E takes a back seat to vitamin C. However, vitamin E is still vital to a healthy immune system. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. Nuts, such as almonds, are packed with the vitamin and also have healthy fats. A half-cup serving of these antioxidant-rich nuts provide nearly 100% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin E. Figs were used for millennia in ancient Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cultures. Figs are fruits of the ficus tree, which is a part of the mulberry family. Figs have a unique, sweet taste as they are high in natural sugars, a soft and chewy texture, and are littered with slightly crunchy, edible seeds filled with minerals and are an excellent source of soluble dietary fiber. They are also a good source of calcium and potassium. Turmeric has been used in India for thousands of years as a spice and medicinal herb. Today, it's used in holistic medicine as a digestive aid and a wound healer. It dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body due to the curcumin, which is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It serves as an anti-inflammatory, so reach for the curry. Turmeric is the primary ingredient when nursing a toothache or a sprain. Unfortunately, curcumin absorbs poorly into the bloodstream by itself. It is a common practice to consume it along with black pepper, which contains piperine, a natural substance that enhances the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. Glucosinolate-rich horseradish fights cancer and kills bacteria. Though we only use it as an ingredient for dipping sauces, this cousin to the mustard family packs a kick when fighting urinary tract infections, kidney stones, fluid retention, coughs, bronchitis, achy joints, gallbladder disorders, sciatic nerve pain, gout, colic, and intestinal worms in children. It's also a good source of calcium, potassium, and vitamin C, which among other things helps maintain collagen. Of all nuts, walnuts contain the most alpha-linolenic omega-3 fatty acids, which lower bad cholesterol, also known as low-density lipids, and may reduce inflammation in arteries. Walnuts are also a great source of antioxidants, vitamin E, selenium, and magnesium. A papaya is a soft tropical fruit with a yellow-orange color loaded with vitamin C. You can find 224% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single papaya. Papayas also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papayas have decent amounts of potassium, vitamin B, folate, all of which are beneficial to your overall health. Green tea and black teas are packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. Where green tea really excels is in its level of epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, another powerful antioxidant. EGCG has been shown to enhance immune function. The fermentation process black tea goes through destroys a lot of the EGCG. Green tea, on the other hand, is steamed and not fermented, so the EGCG is preserved. Deeply flavorful miso is a traditional Japanese seasoning that is produced by fermenting rice, barley, and/or soybeans with salt and a fungus. It's a great source of low-calorie proteins, 2 grams in a 25-calorie serving. It also contains B12 and is a good source of zinc, which helps the immune system function properly. Don't pass over this golden paste the next time you visit your deli section. Yogurt. Just like the milk it's made from, yogurt is a very good source of calcium, phosphorus, and protein. Unlike milk, real yogurt also contains probiotics, a good bacteria your digestive system needs to process and benefit from all the things you eat. 1. Lactobacillus casei boosts your immune response. These are some of the best unknown superfoods. We would love to hear from you. If you have any little-known superfoods to share, leave them in the comments below. If you think this video will help you boost your immune system, give us a thumbs up. If you subscribe and activate the notification bell, we will always tell you when another helpful video comes out. Remember, stay healthy, stay happy.